some people are like, oh yeah, I should have a podcast. And they like decide and they're recording one day later. And others take a few months or a few years.
Sure.
So what was really holding you back?
I would say a lot of fear actually was really fear and lack of clarity. Lack of clarity is a big one, but I think that probably stemmed more from fear than anything. Looking back on it, I don't think I realized that at the time, but just not having a clear sense of what specifically it was going to be about, how I was going to, find people, how I was going to just the structure of it, a lot of that. And then just the fear of what if, and nobody ever listened to it. What if I really suck? What if this is the worst idea ever? So